Indigo Airlines disruption has caused chaos at various airports around the nation. I'm joined by Akshay Lakra, IYC workers, those who have gathered here outside Thapar House, Indigo's registered office here in the national capital to protest against the Indigo Airlines. So, sir, what are your main demands and why you have gathered here with this poster, Get Well Soon?
See, this is a greeting card saying get well soon Indigo. When somebody gets sick or is not well, not keeping well. So we are here to give our best wishes and praying that Indigo please recover soon. India is praying for you because it is high time that you get on the track because the aviation ministry, the civil aviation ministry and the air travel of this country is currently suffering to monumental inefficiency and it is high time that things get back to normal because people are suffering, their luggages are lost, they are not paid back, they are not getting refund, they are not reaching their destination on time. Somebody is supposed to get admitted into hospital, somebody is going for a wedding, a family gathering, somebody is going to attempt an exam. But what is all this happening in this country that the compliances are not yet being followed by the Indigo for the past 1 month and they waited for that, that bomb to blast at that very moment when things got out of control.
Government has said they won't be leaving or sparing the people, those who are behind this negligence, and even they have said
If
they have
they
capped
are-
the airfares and they are doing a lot to
See,
handle
my
the situation.
okay. If you are talking about airfares being capped, this is Delhi Bengaluru flight, currently priced at 64,000. This flight is of today's 9 p.m. and it departs from IGI Terminal 1, lands at Bengaluru. It is costing you 64,000 rupees. So how is it even justified that you travel from Delhi to Bengaluru for 64,000 rupees? So this is the price capping that we are talking about. They have failed monumentally and they have no answer to the the hue and cry of the common man, and they are failing miserably on every frontier. And you have seen the civil aviation minister at this point of time going to marriages and enjoying and dancing and having a pomp show over there. So we are here praying for the Indigo because you can also request the victim to get well soon because the government is not doing anything.
So behind me in the visuals, you can clearly see the Congress workers, those who have gathered here outside the Thapar House, the registered office of Indigo Airlines, with cards in their hand that get well soon, and they have clearly said that they are protesting against the Indigo and their disruption, which caused chaos at various airports around the nation. They have also demanded the government to act against the Indigo, but you can see clearly here at outside Indigo office that Congress workers are protesting. We have also seen that in Parliament also the opposition parties are targeting the government over this issue, and now on the streets also the opposition parties are coming out to protest against the Indigo as well as Government of India. With cameraman Nasir Khan and Molbali, Delhi.